Save a couple pallets from the landfill. Hey friends, it's Jackie from Sew by Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really adorable pallet snowman. I've cut up a lot of pallets, and I have found that the easiest, quickest way is to use my cordless chainsaw and cut along the edges on each side. This makes it really easy to just pull the boards off from the centerpiece, and then you can pull the nails out from there. There is a bit of waste this way, but it is quick and fast and less nails to pull.
I don't think I need help for that one, but thank you.
I placed the 4 widest boards together, and then I measured it out and divided it into quarters, and then I kind of just did a rough estimate, and for the bottom section I made it a little bit bigger, and then the middle one a little bit smaller but bigger than the top two, and I just kind of went progressively smaller as I went to the top to draw out the snowman. Then I used my cordless jigsaw to cut out the design. And just keep in mind that when you're cutting with the jigsaw, the blade cuts on the upstroke. So what this means is you want the side facing up to be the back side because the cut will be a little bit rougher. For this particular project, it is a bit of a rustic look, and I wasn't overly concerned about that. But just keep that in mind if you want a really nice finish. I used my cordless sander and gave everything a really quick sand with 150 grit sandpaper. Again, I just went quickly because it's quite a rustic look I'm going for. I spaced the boards out and then secured it together using my brad nailer. If you want to make sure they are exactly the same distance apart, just use a spacer. I eyeballed it because, you know, it's a pallet snowman. I mixed exterior latex paint with some water to make a whitewash solution, painted it on the boards, and then wiped the excess clean with a dry rag. I followed the same method as the whitewash, except this time I mixed black acrylic paint with some water and I painted the hat. I attached the bottom part of the hat with wood glue and my brad nailer, and I would strongly recommend using wood glue when you secure the boards on the back earlier. My cordless miter saw is so handy. I love having it in the shop, and I used it to cut this 1-inch dowel into a bunch of little pieces and then painted them with the same black mixture as the hat. And I just let these soak in and let them dry completely before assembling them on for the snowman face and buttons. I cut a scrap piece of wood to make a carrot. I didn't have any orange paint, so I used a paint pen and then just soaked it in with some water on a paintbrush and attached it using hot glue. I couldn't decide if it should go up or down. I'm still not sure which way looks better. What do you think? I cut up some felt that I had and made it into a scarf, and then I hot glued it so it would stay in place. I made a second one to have a pair, and here they are, finished up. What do you think? Check the video description for links on my other palette projects and hit that subscribe button for more.